And the road to prosperity will come on Monday, November 28, 2016.
Election again and nomination day is next Friday. This evening, what the parties are saying about their readiness. Good evening and thanks for joining us for Primetime News. A special welcome to viewers on OneSpotMedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, big clash continues over parochial revenue funds.
Cops swarm Spanish Town amidst concerns about crime.
A special report on the Portland community cut off by landslides.
In business news, praises for the committee set up to monitor devaluation.
There's also sports commentary and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
We're asking, how much significance do you place on local government elections?
Share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet at Television Jam.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns right after these messages.